Here, I'm gonna go watch this.
Okay, here comes Mr. Happy. We love him. He's great.
Have you had a hug today?
You want me to start doing what I did in July?
Have you had a hug yet today, Jeff?
Here, turn around.
Now here's Jeff being weird or perverted.
Give me a sip of that. Give me a sip. Not until I have a beer first.
not until you at least buy her a drink.
Give me a sip of it.
Here, you gotta be this. Like that.
Whoa. Did you see how I accepted that? I just
you just teabagged yourself.
I just want to sit. I just want There's squirted. There's squirted. There's squirted me right now. There's squirted me.
Chuck,
I'm drooling.
let go.
Just give me one sip.
Do that.
Fucking dickhead. God, my boobs the whole time. Jeff, it's on.
Like the break of dawn. You just got
I have to pee so bad that I'm
Hey.
actually peeing. Right now. There's
little pee came out.
Fuck you. No. I hate it. Stop it. I don't have any more breeches.
I don't have any more breeches. Allie's wearing a pair. You can borrow hers.
Oh, might have peed a bit.
Okay, go, run. You can beat him.
Do you like Maury? Hey, do you like Maury and Jack?
What?
Do you like Maury and Jack?
She checks like that? I check like this.
How do you check? Okay, I'll meet you over there.